Welcome PAIIP PTE and IELTS Institute Pakistan. Learn phrasal verbs with PAIIP. Come up with definition. To think an idea, plan or solution. I need to come up with a gift idea for my friend's birthday.
Don't worry, Brian, I'll come up with something.
Wow, see, and I didn't think you'd be able to come up with anything.
I came up with that. You're a dork.
Come across. Definition. To meet or find someone, or STH. By chance. I was cleaning out the garage and came across my old diary.
Never really come across this problem before.
I came across this old photo. That baby is you.
Who's that?
Charles Blake. You ever come across him?
Anyway, came across this.
Last night I was feeling in need of sexual release when I happened to come across your mother.
We're dealing with a very effective weapon system that we have not come across.
Come down with definition. To start to suffer from an illness. I think I might come down with a cold, my nose is running.
I think I'm coming down with a cold.
I think I'm coming down with something.
I'm not feeling very well. I think I'm coming down with that cold. If you're coming down with something, I probably shouldn't smooch ya.
I think I'm coming down with something.
Chris, relax.
Come around. Definition. To change your opinion of something. She didn't like it initially, but eventually, she came around.
Actually, I'm not leaving. I'm gonna stay for the games.
Oh, look who's coming around already. We're gonna have fun.
She'll come around.
I'm not gonna wait for her to come around.
I'm glad you came around.
Come by. Definition. To visit a place for a short time. I'll come by this evening and pick up the books.
Can I ask you a favor?
Sure. Come by tonight for dinner and we can talk.
Oh, I'd love to come by. Hey, I'll come by. I like hospitals.
We'll call, schedule a play date.
No need. Just come by anytime.
I'm just finishing up a little project, but I'll come by later.
Come along. Definition. To go somewhere with someone. We're going to the cinema. Do you want to come along?
Come along.
Doing the best I can, Liam.
Klaus, why don't you come along?
Well, come along and ask him.
Dad, he's not going to be there.
Would you want to come along? I'll come along too.
What do you think about inviting Ben to come along with us today?
Come over. Definition. To visit someone's home. My best friend came over, and we chatted over a cup of tea.
Well, thanks for coming over.
I'm so glad you came over for dinner, Debbie.
So, Hugo is coming over to talk to me.
Thanks for coming over, Stewie.
Oh, thanks for having me.
Why did you really want me to come over?
Why do you think that I wanted you to come over here?
What I'm having a problem with, Saul, is you're not telling me she was coming over.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment.